In the pursuit of becoming a high-value man, many fall into the trap of mimicking surface-level traits without developing genuine substance. Today, we're exposing the 7 most glaring signs that you might be a fake high-value man. These aren't just minor quirks, they're fundamental flaws that can derail your personal growth and relationships. But don't worry, we're not just pointing out problems. For each sign, we'll provide actionable steps to address these issues effectively. Whether you're worried you might be faking it, or you're just looking to refine your journey to becoming truly high value, this video is your wake-up call. Let's jump into the first major sign you're a counterfeit high-value man. 1. Always showing off. If you're constantly showcasing your achievements, possessions, or status on social media or in conversations, you're likely suffering from this syndrome. This isn't about sharing occasional successes. It's an overwhelming need to prove your worth through external validation. You might find yourself exaggerating accomplishments, name-dropping influential contacts, or strategically placing luxury items in the background of your photos. Implement a 48-hour rule before posting about achievements or purchases. This cooling-off period will help you distinguish between genuine sharing and validation-seeking behavior. Additionally, challenge yourself to have conversations without mentioning your job, possessions, or accomplishments. Focus on learning about others instead. The root of this behavior often stems from deep-seated insecurity and a fear of not being enough on your own merits. Recognize that true value comes from character, actions, and the positive impact you have on others, not from the image you project. Start a gratitude practice, focusing on the intangible aspects of your life that bring you joy and fulfillment. This shift in focus can help you build genuine self-esteem that doesn't rely on impressing others. 2. Changing to fit in. This manifests as constantly changing your opinions, interests, or even personality traits to fit in with different groups or impress specific individuals. If you find yourself agreeing with everyone, adopting the interests of your latest crush, or unable to articulate your own genuine beliefs, you're exhibiting this trait. Start a core values journal. Spend 15 minutes each day writing about what truly matters to you, independent of others' opinions. In social situations, practice stating your honest views, even if they differ from the group's. Remember, authenticity is more valuable than universal approval. Developing a strong sense of self is crucial in overcoming this tendency. Explore different philosophies, interests, and viewpoints to figure out what genuinely resonates with you. Seek out diverse experiences and perspectives, not to adopt them, but to refine your own worldview. Remember, it's okay to change and evolve, but it should come from internal growth, not external pressure. Embrace the idea that your unique perspective adds value to conversations and relationships. 3. Faking a busy life. Creating an illusion of being constantly busy or in demand is a classic sign of a fake high-value man. This might involve scheduling fake meetings, always appearing rushed, or humble bragging about your packed calendar. The underlying belief is that being busy equates to being important or successful. Conduct a time audit for 1 week. Track how you actually spend each hour. Be brutally honest. Then eliminate all activities that don't genuinely contribute to your goals or well-being. Learn to appreciate and communicate the value of downtime and focused work rather than glorifying busyness. This behavior often masks a fear of inadequacy or a lack of purpose. Instead of filling your schedule with meaningless activities, focus on quality over quantity. Set clear, meaningful goals and prioritize tasks that align with these objectives. Learn to embrace periods of rest and reflection as essential components of a balanced, successful life. Redefine your concept of productivity to include personal growth, relationship building, and creative pursuits, not just work-related tasks. 4. Selective kindness. This trait involves adjusting your level of empathy based on a person's perceived status or usefulness to you. You might be attentive and caring towards those you see as influential or attractive, but dismissive or rude to service staff or those you deem unimportant. This selective empathy reveals a lack of genuine care for others. Implement the Everyone Has a Story challenge. Each day, have a meaningful conversation with someone you typically overlook, a janitor, a cashier, or a quiet colleague. Aim to learn something interesting about their life. This practice will expand your empathy and remind you of the inherent value in every individual. Cultivating genuine empathy requires recognizing the fundamental equality of all humans, regardless of their social status or potential benefit to you. Practice mindfulness to become more aware of your interactions and biases. Reflect on times when you've been treated dismissively and how it made you feel. Understand that true strength and value come from lifting others up, not putting them down. Make it a goal to leave every person you interact with feeling a little better than before they met you. 5. Pretending to know everything. This occurs when you pretend to be an expert on topics you barely understand. This might involve using jargon without grasping its meaning, offering strong opinions on subjects you've only skimmed headlines about, or bluffing your way through conversations to appear intelligent. Adopt the "I don't know, but I'd like to learn" mantra. When a topic arises that you're not well versed in, openly admit your lack of knowledge and ask questions. Commit to thoroughly researching one new topic each week, focusing on depth rather than breadth. This approach will build genuine knowledge and show the strength in admitting what you don't know. The desire to appear all-knowing often stems from a fear of being perceived as unintelligent or irrelevant. Recognize that true intelligence isn't about having all the answers, but about knowing how to find them and apply knowledge effectively. Develop a genuine love for learning, focusing on the process rather than the end result. Engage in discussions with experts in various fields, not to prove your knowledge, but to expand it. Remember, asking thoughtful questions often demonstrates more intelligence than pretending to have all the answers. 6. Hiding all emotions. Building an impenetrable emotional wall is a common tactic of fake high-value men. This involves suppressing all emotions deemed weak, like sadness, fear, or vulnerability. You might pride yourself on being logical at all times, struggle to connect deeply with others, or react with anger when faced with emotional situations. Begin an emotion of the day practice. Each morning, identify one emotion you're feeling and allow yourself to experience it fully without judgment. Share this emotion with a trusted friend or write about it. Gradually expand your emotional vocabulary and comfort with expressing feelings. Remember, emotional intelligence is a hallmark of truly high-value individuals. Understanding and expressing emotions is crucial for building meaningful relationships and achieving genuine success. Explore the root causes of your emotional suppression. It often stems from past experiences or societal expectations of masculinity. Consider seeking professional help to work through any underlying issues. Practice self-compassion when experiencing difficult emotions and learn healthy coping mechanisms. Remember, true strength lies in understanding and managing your emotions, not in denying them. 7. Undermining others' success. This involves subtly undermining others' achievements or opportunities, often under the guise of honesty or realism. You might find yourself offering unsolicited criticism, pointing out potential failures in others' plans, or feeling secretly pleased when someone else stumbles. Implement a daily success celebration ritual. Each day, genuinely celebrate someone else's success or potential opportunity. This could involve sending a congratulatory message, publicly acknowledging a colleague's achievement, or offering sincere encouragement to someone pursuing a goal. Train yourself to view others' successes as inspiring rather than threatening. The tendency to undermine others often stems from deep-seated insecurity and a scarcity mindset. Recognize that another person's success doesn't diminish your own worth or opportunities. Work on developing a genuine abundance mentality, the belief that there's enough success to go around. Focus on collaboration over competition, understanding that lifting others up can lead to mutual growth and opportunities. Reflect on your own achievements and potential, building confidence in your unique path rather than comparing yourself to others. If you have made it this far, let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more interesting topics, make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.